My name is Swaleh Hassan. I am the Business Development Manager. Today we will be discussing about our solar water heater range, starting with this brand called Calpak, all the way from Greece. Now we have two types of solar water heaters. One is the open loop, or what we call the direct systems, and then we also have the closed loop or indirect systems. And they come in three different sizes: 160 liters, 200 liters, and 300 liters. So what is the difference between open loop and closed loop? Open loop, otherwise known as the direct system, works in this method. The sun hits your collector or the glass collector, and then the water is directly heated by the sun, goes around the collector as it gets heated up and comes back to your tank where you get your hot water. While in the closed loop or the indirect system, we use a special fluid called glycol, where it is the glycol which is being heated, and then in turn the glycol hits the water in the collector, and then the water goes into your tank and you get hot water. How do you decide which solar water heater size is for you? Okay, we have rough figures based on the number of people within the household or who would use one of the sizes, whereby 160 liters can be used by up to 4 people, and 200 liters can be used up to 6 people, while the 300 liter one can be used with up to 8 people. Get in touch with the Water Solutions team so that we can guide you on what solar water heater size is right for your home, for your property, and for your lodges and camps. The beautiful thing about this brand is that it's not only a European product, but we are giving you a full 5-year warranty directly from the manufacturer. Visit our shops or contact us in Arusha, Dar es Salaam, Zanzibar, and Nairobi. Gadgetronix, unlimited technologies.